are keeping it super simple, easy, and delicious for all of you bakers out there this Halloween season. This will come together quicker than you know. So Valentina, do you want to take our bakers off the list of ingredients we have here?
We got some candy melt, popsicle sticks. We also have some plates, so nothing gets dirty on the table. Oreos, my skeleton hands. 3 types of sprinkles and some candy eyes.
Really simple. What we're gonna want to do is melt our candy melts. There's lots of ways to do this. You can put it in a disposable bag, pop it in the microwave, or you can use a microwave safe cup. We're gonna melt all of the candy melts down. And we have some different colors here so we can have different color monsters. And then we're gonna dip and decorate. Super simple, right?
But Tia, I'm gonna go to a fairy forest.
A fairy forest? Can I come?
No.
No? Okay, well then I'm gonna take a trip out of this world.
I had so much fun at the fairy forest, but look what they turned me into, a unicorn! Whoa, Rainbow, calm down, Tia's on her way!
3, 2, 1, blast off! Whoa! I had so much fun in outer space!
You're in a rocket ship!
I am, and I was blasting off so fast! What do you think of my costume?
I love it!
Yeah? I think I did a good job. Are you ready to make some monster pops?
Oh yeah!
Let's do it. First things first, we're gonna grab our Oreos. We're gonna grab one and we're gonna place it on our pop. All right, so we have our cookies and we have our sticks. And very gently, we're gonna go ahead and insert them so that they become a little pops. Looks good? So you gotta dunk them in gently. When you pull them out, they should look something like this. And then you can start decorating while I dunk some more. You have to decorate before they get dry.
And now let's add some red sprinkles.
That looks awesome. You got a red one on deck? Oh my God, that is the cutest monster. Thank you, baby.
I have a spooky story for you guys. Once upon a time, there was a skeleton named Skelly. Where he was, there was pumpkins everywhere, and it was a pumpkin patch. All of a sudden, his head popped up.
Oh, head popped off?
And then a pumpkin flew up and then went on his head.
His head? Oh gosh.
And then all the pumpkins turned to him. And then while he was running, the pumpkin popped off, and then he grabbed his head and put it back on. He ran as fast as he can from the pumpkin patch, and he made it on the nick of time.
Wow.
I already decorated mine. What about you?
Yep, I'm gonna just add a few spooky eyeballs and some ghosts to this one. And then on this one, I'm gonna add some blue sprinkles.
So if you guys are impatient like me, just pop those things in the freezer and then they will harden quicker.
Yep, it'll be around 3 to 5 minutes rather than the 10 minutes on the counter. And then they peel right off. Didn't our monster pops come out so cool, Valentina? I really like this one, is my favorite. It looks like Cookie Monster, and C is for cookie, and it's a cookie pop. I think that's pretty funny, huh?
I think this one's my favorite. It's because it looks like that it has a little mohawk.
You are so right, it does. Should we try our monster pops? Let's give it a go.
I'm gonna do this one.
I'm gonna do this one. Ready?
Delish.
That's good. I love the texture and the crunch from the sprinkles, right? That was very good. And the candy melts add like a nice silky texture on the top.
Viviana's back!
Oh, and we got another star of the show. Stingy Gingy is a pizza face.
We got Stingy Gingy the pizza!
We all get treats today because it's Halloween.
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!
Oh.
I think everyone loves Oreos. What do you think, Mama? Should we do a cookie cheers? Cheers! So good, right? Well, Valentina, what do we say to our bakers?
Well, bakers, make sure to give us a yummy thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and turn on the notifications. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Yummy Thumbs Up